If you have one of these Mr. Coffee makers and you notice that you filled it up for a whole cup of coffee, but it only made like a half a cup, but you don't see any coffee spilled anywhere. What I found with mine is there was a leak where the water shoots into this mechanism right here. So if you can see this, there's that hole right there at the top, and the water shoots through there. Well, it was leaking because the O-ring that seals it had broken. So clean water leaked out all over my counter, and I got like a half a cup of coffee. So what I did was I looked inside with a flashlight, and if you take this off, let me get my flashlight here. So if you look inside there, you see the male end of that where it goes into the hole and the water comes out right there, and there's an O-ring on there. I replaced it already. You might be able to see it. It's black right there. So they cost about 50 cents, and they sell them at your hardware store. I got a number 47 O-ring, and they sell different sizes, but this one fit first time. Fits in there real nicely, easy to replace, and no more leaks. So don't throw your coffee maker away, especially if it's this easy to repair. Okay, thank you.